Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are here to practicing the harvesting methods by using different tools, and we are here at the unit number 4, IIAST unit number 4 for harvesting the mustard crop by using this tool that is called sickle, serrated sickle. Okay, so these are the students of BTech Agriculture Engineering third year and studying subject farm machinery and equipment second, and also studying one more subject, farm machinery and tractor maintenance and care and maintenance. Okay, so we are here to introduce the tools for harvesting the crops. There are some methods for harvesting the crops: manual method and animal powered tools, and then mechanical methods. Manual methods including these are the tools which are used to harvest the crop by manual power. Okay, so this is the tool used only manual power. No other source of power is used in this tool. So it is called the manual method of harvesting by using sickle. So this is almost paddy, wheat, and mustard may also be harvested through this tool. Okay, and before going to the farm, there is need to know what is harvesting. This is the theory part, and this is the practical part. Here we are here learning by doing. Okay, so what is the harvesting? Harvesting is the operation which includes cutting, digging, plucking, all these operations included in the harvesting operation activities. Okay, so here in the unit we mark some area for each of them, and after that need to see how much time taken by you to harvest particular measured area. So for this you can also calculate your field capacity on this performance of this tool. Field capacity, do you know the field capacity? Field capacity of any machine, if this is power operated, if this is manual operated, if it may be animal operated, but need to know performance indexes of all these equipments. Being an engineer, you need to design an equipment with proper efficiency, with maximum efficiency. Okay, so for this activity we also record the time and area, how much area covered in unit time by you by using this tool. Okay, so this is the manual harvesting, and I would like to tell you about this tool. This is the blade, and this part is called as ferrule, and this is called handle. Okay, so what is the procedure? I will tell you in the field what is the procedure to harvest the crop. Okay, this is the mustard crop, so you can leave the stem like this level. Okay, but in case of paddy and wheat, you can directly sit down and then cut the crop. Okay, okay, so now go to the field and see what happened if we are using this tool. Okay, आवाज क्लियर है? See, this is the level of cutting. Okay, you can also harvest this crop from the bottom by sitting like this. Okay, this is some hard, and this system also be used for the forage for animals feeding. Okay, coverage with coverage. Okay, measure this and move yourself aside. This one for to the like about 2 meter. Okay, so stay here and cut the crop by standing there like this. and you can also cut the crop like this. Okay, safety should be there.
Yes.
Okay, like this. And keep this back side. Okay, all of you. The height of the stem depends upon the this one.
Crop. Green.
Okay, so you can adjust your height as per requirement. You can cut one by one, otherwise you can group the stems like this. Okay,
Yes.
so this is the practice we are conducting for practical exposure of this tool. Okay,
Yes.
practical exposure of this tool. You can also design another tool
Yes.
like this with low cost and sharp cutting edge, with sharp cutting edge. Okay, if this is not sharp, then very difficult to cut the crop, and it may be slip.
Yes.
It may be slip to the hand. So be safe when you are using this tool.
Sir, if you use plain blade, then it maybe
Then
slip.
then maybe also slippage problem like this,
Yes.
like this. Okay,
Yes.
so don't keep this one like this.
Yes.
It should be straight. Okay, blade should be
Straight.
straight with the horizontal of the surface.
Sir.
Okay,
Yes.
this measurement can be done only to know the working efficiency. Okay, working efficiency of the tool, how much area covered in unit time, so we can calculate the efficiency of that tool with you. Okay, you are as a power source for this tool, so this is called manual harvesting. You are a human being, so power source is human. Okay, as you know the different power sources working on the farm, that is human power source, animal power source, mechanical power source. Okay, so now you are only human power source. So this one is how much meter? कहाँ गया मीटर इसमें भाई? 5. This is the 5 meter width. Stand aside, please. Mr. Akot, stand aside. Mark there. हाँ हाँ बस यहीं पे रोके रहो. 5 meter and 5 meter के बाद में 340 कितना? 3 and 4 meter कर लेते हैं इसको. ओके मिस्टर अकोट, कवर द विथ up to here. Okay, mark this point. Hold this step. Go straight. Okay, now total width is 9 meter. Okay, and cover the full length. Then you can calculate the theoretical field capacity as well as effective field capacity. After that, field efficiency of this tool. The सीधे भी are measuring the length of the field. We are measuring the length of the field. This is 5 meter. Come, yes. This is another 5 meter. Yes, 5 meter. Come. And up to here, this is 15 meter length. Okay. Note down on the paper. 15 meter length. Okay. This ridge is given here. Okay. So up to this ridge, need to harvest the crop by these 5 students. Okay. Measuring an area of 9 9 to 15 meter. Okay. And note down the time taken by the 5 students. Very much. After the harvesting this area, we can ask students for their learning exposure about the tool. Okay, done.
Okay. My name is Shalja Chaudhary, BTech Agricultural Engineering, third year. And currently I'm doing practical on the topic harvesting, and with the help of tool sickle I'm cutting the mustard, and it's very interesting to cut. That's it. Okay, this is
And what is the purpose of this tool in your engineering program?
this is a tool sickle, and this is the purpose to cutting manually, and its part is a blade and a handle, and this is the ferrule, and in this tool, this is serrated sickle, and this tool is used in agricultural engineering in manual harvested tools, used for manual harvesting. That's it.
Hello, myself Balchan Koiri. I'm currently pursuing BTech Agriculture Engineering from Integral University. Currently, we are performing harvesting with the help of manual operate sickles. This is harvesting tools, and different component of this tool is this is blade, ferrule, and handle. And this operation is quite difficult. It requires much force.
Hi everyone, my name is Akot Sagwermo. I am BTech Agriculture third year. Today we are performing harvesting. So and this operation is performed manually. So we are using single. This is called single. So you use it for harvesting. And there are parts of this tool. There is blade, and then there is handle. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I feel good. Everything is going well. Exactly because as a student, you have to enjoy your duties. So we are enjoying this operation like this harvesting.
Yes, I start. Hello everyone, my name is Anand. Currently, I'm studying in BTech Agriculture third year in Integral University. So now we are here performing the harvesting of the mustard crop by the using the serrated sickle. Uh, generally it's using very it's required very more power by physical, but it's it's good to harvest these type of crops, uh, likewise the paddy and wheat, but it is more suitable for cutting or harvesting the mustard crop. Yeah, it's very good. And when we talk about the structure constructional component of the cycle, so this is the blade and this is ferrule, and this one is and this part is called handle. Yeah, that's it.
Myself Aman Savare, and I'm doing a performing harvesting performance by slicing method. And this is a sickle you can use in you can see in your home and various farm activities. And this is done by slicing action by when you uh, take, take a crop and you by slicing action you can easily perform by this action because of their serrated teeth. It can easily crop. It requires more hard work and take more time to cut the crop. Yes, officer.
तो ये जो फील्ड था आप लोगों का 9 गुणा 15 मीटर है ना, 9 गुणा 15 मीटर आप 5 लोगों ने मिल करके इसको हार्वेस्ट किया है। ठीक है, तो सबका अलग अलग टाइम जो अपना डिवाइड किया था प्लॉट, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपने हार्वेस्ट किया है। तो ये अभी चल करके अपना डेटा जो है आपको मिला है, इस डेटा के अकॉर्डिंग ये फील्ड कैपेसिटी है ना, ये आप कैलकुलेट करेंगे। ये सब ऑफिशियल वर्क है ना, यानी कि लैब में आप बैठ करके इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे। ओके, ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू।
Now we have to calculate capacity. To calculate capacity, we have area 135 divided by 13 minutes. We have to convert it into hectare, so divide it with by 10,000, and to convert this into hour we have to divide with 60, so it go on the top. We got 81 by 4, so it required 0.063 hectare per hour by 5 people. To calculate it into hour per hectare, we have, like, in 1 hour we have done 0.0623 hectare, so in 1 hectare time required is 1 by 3, हो जाएगा 16 आवर पर हेक्टेयर, कैपेसिटी ऑफ 5%. Here